Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away.
Like separate individual compartments, you know?
I could live here for another 2 weeks. Good morning. As you guys probably saw last week, it was a very slow, relaxed, kind of a recover from travel type of week. This is going to be a little bit different because I am meeting up with one of my best friends from high school. Her name is Bailey and her boyfriend Cooper, and we are going to head into the wilderness for, I think we're going to do 3 days. Bales and Coop are about 3 hours away, so I have some time here at the trailhead to do some work and to make sure that my pack is really dialed in. So all of us had agreed on the fact that we don't love out and back trails, so we are kind of tacking on another trail and creating a loop. So right now we're bringing our cars to the other trailhead where we'll end, which is like 8 miles away, and then we'll all hop in probably their car and then come back to this trailhead and start the hike. Say hi, guys. Brushing your teeth at noon. Yeah, I'm sure everywhere.
Dude, you're kind of holding up the show.
What? The tail, and I was like, whoa, that thing's radical.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Thanks for letting me take
Yeah, you guys have a great day.
Yeah,
Take
have
care.
a good hike. Okay, he was cute. I was ready for pop. She loves Cooper.
I'm kind of pissed.
Woo! There's just a bunch of little pools.
So they made this trail in 1917 and blasted it out of the wall. Like, this is all rock, I think, underneath us, technically.
Uh-huh.
And I'm like, they said in hindsight today they would never make this trail.
Why?
Just because, like, the environmental impact of
Oh.
all of the work, and then you're kind of like on fragile ecosystem.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh.
What's that?
We got one rad puppy.
Oh, thank you. Yes, she's an adventurer. She's gonna live forever. She's still a young pup. Yeah, you're still a young pup. She's 5. Yeah, she acts young, huh? We're about a mile away from our first camp, so about 7 miles of hiking for the day. Oh, wow. Wait, did you just say braiding sweetgrass?
Have you read that?
Literally one of my all-time favorite books ever.
I'm reading it right now. That's the other book I was gonna say. you have to
Oh.
believe this.
You leave gifts for people.
Yeah.
So fucking good, dude. That's hilarious. I literally was thinking about it and I
I'm
was
so
like,
excited for
I
this.
gotta tell Linnea to read this shit.
Dude, I have it in my van.
Sufficient spices. I couldn't think of the word. Get knock it.
Alright, this is camp. My house, their house, our river, Akela. Bailey's gonna go put some pants on. Bailey doesn't like the camera very much, which makes it even better.
Like separate individual compartments, you know? So this gross toe doesn't have to touch that gross toe.
Is that why you wear that?
No! No, it was for blisters. If, like a lot of people, you know, you get blisters in between your
I've
toes.
never gotten blisters between my toes.
Like my toes rubbing or something. So this takes like all the friction away. They're like all I wear now. Hiking. Not like around the house.
No bakes.
Yeah,
Oh my
right.
gosh, thank
See if
you
they're good.
so
We'll
much.
see if they're good. Huh?
No, I'm gonna save mine, and then you guys aren't gonna have any, and I'll be the one eating the cookies.
You are the sassiest person.
I'll have.
Interesting strategy.
All right, you better not be filming.
I'm
I'm
not.
literally pulling my pants down.
This is why everybody's gonna like you.
No, the lens, like the big part of the. So grab it like closest to you and twist, and then that will. No, then the other one. There you go.
I'm as far away as I go.
Right, but if you want to zoom, you can go the other way. Now she can take all your videos.
That means we can get a camera.
We're in business, maybe, as long as this dries out in time.
It's all pretty dry.
I think we're in the clear.
Look at you. You're so dirty.
More like a slapfish.
It doesn't look full enough.
We're drinking boxed wine. How cool!
And you ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find out with me?
This is fucking cool.
This is being recorded.
Share this shit. This will fade out till the morning.
Uncle Bill, don't listen.
No, but like, dear God.
Akela, what? Hold on. Okay. Last night felt really warm.
Akela, get off.
Basically, Akela and I were using my 15-degree sleeping bag kind of just as a blanket, and I had shorts and a tank top on. It had to have been in the 40s last night. I haven't been that warm at night in a long time, even in the van. Bailey's filling all of our water before we go.
One woman job.
So the plan for today is to do, I think, 10 or 11 miles. And it sounds like we're gonna stop halfway at a lake, make some lunch, chill there for a little while, and then finish the hike kind of second part of the day, late afternoon. Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. gonna let the sun shine in today. Leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking, the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly.
So Bailey and I are starting to What?
Carry on.
We are starting to break up a bunch of kindling. Basically, the spot that we're at is super damp and wet, and we have no dry wood. So the plan is to get a bunch of little stuff. We have like a little fire starter that lasts for, I don't know, I think last night it was like 5 minutes. Probably. Which was enough to dry it out last night. And we're hoping that that's enough time to start drying out some of the smaller stuff. Ideally that'll catch, dry out bigger stuff, that'll catch, and we'll have a booming fire. And there's a good chance that we won't.
Even with all this shitty wet wood?
Can you just have some hope? Hey, can you give me a few of the big ones so we can start drying it out?
Yeah. Medium ones like this?
Yeah. Even some of those larger guys.
Oh no. Lungs of steel.
More of the same. Eyeballs. I know. It's okay, your eyeballs can suffer.
Stay at it, ladies.
That almost just got my eyebrows.
We had a lot of footage of the really bad part.
Fucking blowing.
This is not going well. Skip to the good part.
Blowing.
Our system is to stack a bunch of stuff so everything dries. But hey, we have a fire. Alright, so we've got those two over there. They're setting up their tent. Our tent is right there. Fire is doing very well, surprisingly well. And I'm about to heat up some water for some tea. No, I do have to talk to you about what's happening.
This is terrible.
Okay, so all day Bailey's been.
No. No.
Yes,
America.
America.
Turn off your headlights.
So
Oh,
no.
mine's on too.
No, it's actually all day. Bailey's been giving me so much shit because I like to have mac and cheese when I'm back
So
there.
do I.
No.
I do. Yep.
That's the first time I've heard of that all day. And she swears by these North sides. I know.
Look
I
'em
eat
up,
them
people.
too.
Literally have them in the van right now.
These two decided to go with the rice sides, which is great. Except it's not, because now she wants my mac and cheese.
I
I'm
don't,
not
I don't
busy.
want any more.
Yeah, I don't want any more either.
Oh my
I'll
gosh,
have some mac and cheese
yes.
though.
No, you will not.
There's a piece of the log that I just want to move it in a little bit.
You can do that if you want to.
No, I need you to.
Oh, you need me to okay. This one?
Yeah, the little one.
How come?
No, the little one.
Well, now I want this one.
Okay, we'll look a little one.
This one?
Yeah, it's probably hot.
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it was. It definitely was warmer than you should have
This
touched.
guy is.
You know they're weak, don't you? Okay. Okay, I'm kidding. Do not paw that tent. No, wait. Good girl. Good girl, wait.
Oh, hi, big girl. Good morning.
Luckily this morning there were still some hot coals in the fire, so pushed them all together, and now we have a fire for the morning and we're living in luxury. They're drying that out because everything is so wet. This is awesome. I could live here for another 2 weeks.
Yeah. My shoulder's
Really?
smiles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden things.
We're cruising. Belle still has her puffy on, which is a big mistake. Hi! And Cooper is carrying her pack for the last 7 miles, and she's super stoked on it. You're just a naked baby.
Oh my god, you're so light and happy.
Look at how big all of this is. We've seen these. They're huge.
Oh,
what?
wow, they're spiky as shit.
Yeah, I just
Look.
Wow. 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 Look how big those are. Wow. Wow. Wow.
you feel so
The amount of old growth. I know, Coops.
feel. Look at this one. Bending. How big of a tree?
She's got to check.
Isn't it nuts?
You're oh my god, I'm gonna pee my face.
Wow. Because all of its weight and force is displaced, not on it. It's like straight, right? It's all off to the side. I can't believe that. Wow. Man, that was the most magical forest. Wow.
Excuse me, buddy. You need to move off the trail. You're gonna get stomped on. New home for you. Okay. You guys have got to stay off the trail. Oh my goodness. There you go. You're joking me. This one's really big.
So magical.
Something that will make my day. 'Cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep.
Yeah.
She was a pretty little
Oh,
liar who
this
cut me
feels
deep.
so good.
'Cause she left me here alone.
I am just cleaning up, trying to organize what I can for right now. That really just means I'm clearing off my bed so I can go to sleep. We were all so exhausted, but in the best way possible, and tired. Our bodies feel really just used, which is so great. I am really tired. It's about 7 p.m. and I think I'm gonna crawl into bed. Akela's already sleeping in her kennel, so she'll probably hop up and join me in a little bit. With that being said, Akela and I will see you next week.
I've also discovered.
Am I just like dirty? Bailey, you made it all foggy.
Please don't tell me how to live my life.
It looks like she can barely hold this up. Like, she's like really struggling.
It's heavy.
We've been doing nothing for the last 4 hours. So I think we're just gonna have lunch here. How do you feel about that?
Because you're not gonna be able to use any of this footage because you're just fucking.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.